G'day everybody. Brian here for quantlabs.net. End of August. We're going to take a look at two classic non-equity sectors, gold and energy. Obviously energy being oil mostly. So let's check out the results for the month of August 2022. You can see here that gold is definitely come back. Here's the problem though, it's probably going to drift back, and we've got a repeat of that unless everything really comes down to the Federal Reserve, what it does, because gold will contradict whatever the Fed says. So here we have Sharpe ratio, not very strong over the year, 0.63, better performers out there, but we can see it's above the zero line here, while the benchmark, the S&P 500, is below. So this right here is for the last year, all of 2022. Gold has been a better performer, but it just recently has started getting better. These negative moves should not be there for gold, but they are. But this month was pretty good. June was very good as well, and you'll see the difference between oil and gold, energy and gold. So remember that June was up 39% for gold, and August was up 24%. So that's fairly strong. Now, here's the results of gold. So right here are the ones that for gold on today, the 31st. So there's only three ETFs that are profitable: Dust, JDST, and GLL. Okay, those are the only ETFs out of this batch, again, that are profitable. So if you look at what these are, I've always said before, you've got to make sure that you're dealing with bullish ETFs that have no shorting in them. So let me pull up that list again. So I'm going to only focus on the positive ones. So there's GLL. Okay. And here, ProShare Ultra Short Gold. Ultra short. It's not long. Okay. This is the misconception. It's short gold. That's what the ETFs are telling us. This is the professional money saying, let's short gold. That's where we're going to make money. Again, let's look at the next one. JDST. Is that another short? So people are saying we should buy gold. Obviously should be ignored. They probably are in the business of JDST. So direction daily, junior gold miners. So the junior gold miners are doing okay. Let's check out the 5-day. That's positive. Monthly, not bad. So the junior miners are doing okay. Let's check out DUST. Dust. Alright. So this is now gold miner index bear, 2-time share. So this is a 2-time bearish gold miner. This is strange. Why would a bearish 2-time be profitable? That should be the opposite of what the junior miners are doing. So know what you're getting into, because this is sending out obviously contradictory messages. Okay, to me it does, at least on the ETF side, because the ETF data now is starting to prove to be the best indicator of what's happening in this space. So that's gold. So let's check out energy. Now energy, not so good. Commodity, oh I'm sorry. So here's the commodity. You can see it's dropped back a very bad June. Did recover halfway in August, and then it had another dip, a strong dip too. So the Sharpe is still pretty good at $1.64. Max drawdown, yeah, it's lost about 50% there. But let's take a look at the monthly return now. So here's the deal. June, as I said, for energy had a very bad month. As I said, June for gold had a very good month at 39%. So for August, you see there's more green here in the energy, and not, well, I won't say great for commodity or for energy, but 7.02 is better than what gold was for, well, I don't know what to tell you about gold right now, but just take heed on what I just said. So there's gold, right? Come on, oil right there. So let's see what is trading positively for the month of August. So you can see here we have all these ETFs. They're more positive, but what you got to look for is to see what kind of ETFs these are. Are these bears or are they bulls? And if there's any leverage at all. So I'm going to kind of go through these. So far, if you like what you're seeing, you might want to come over to our books section, get onto our email list. We send out all kinds of stuff, crypto included. Just you get a set of free books here as well. quantlabs.net/books. Fill in your info. All your info is kept safe. We don't release it. Now, coming back to this, we're going to go through each of these ETFs that are showing positive months. So we got RGI, and this is sort of important to break down where the best places are to go. So here we've got commodity index total return. Now it's negative, but that actually the returns I'm giving you are positive returns for the year, not for the month. We also have here GRN, and that's why I'm going through Yahoo to see the monthly. So we got here carbon ETN, a 5-day negative again. Yeah, negative again. We have GNR. See that one. Be interesting to see how September plays out, which starts tomorrow. That's when I'm going to get more active on this. Now that we've gone through a full month cycle of this, we can get a better idea. So this is natural resources. Again, negative, not so negative. But very important to know how this works. Let's go to GSG here. So that is GSC Commodity Index Trust and iShare, negative again, 5-day negative, 1 month, negative. Next one, IGE. Knowing this stuff really helps. It really, really breaks it down. So here we got North American Natural Resources, negative, 5-day, 1 month, positive. Okay, so natural resources, that could mean anything really. So that is IGE, RJN. Okay, so here we got a commodity index again. Total return, negative for 5-day, 1 month. Appears to be negative. We also have here NANR. Okay, this one is North American Natural Resources again. Negative. Oh, that one's positive for the month. Again, rare. BCD. So this one is Bloomberg All Commodity Longer Dated Strategy. Okay, that looks like it's negative, 1 month, positive. Okay, so DBC. So here we have index tracking. That's a general commodity. 5-day negative. 1 month negative. DBC COM. So that's a broad commodity strategy, 5-day negative, 1 month positive. This is definitely a better sector than to be in than crypto. That's nothing but negative. GUNR, Global Upstream Natural Resources Index Fund, 5-day negative, 1 month slightly positive. We can see the idea here. Let me just pull up the ones with the higher returns. The returns aren't that great, but again, these are annual. So mixed. It's really mixed with gold. Looks like the bearish major gold producers may be a good place to go, but the junior, I don't know. It's showing negative, while oil is positive, but right now gold is outperforming the energy. So again, if you want to know more about this type of analysis, go to quantlabs.net/books. Send all kinds of stuff. Keep your feet wet, I guess you could say. All your info is kept private. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.